that we could then go back and find that item. We needed an organized system on how to put the items on the shelf, find them when they're needed right away, and not have to look around for hours. And that's a problem, I think, with every property room across the nation. How do I store this stuff so I can find this stuff when I need it?
The EvidenceOnQ digital evidence system has benefited me and my team where accreditation is concerned, because we're able to facilitate the accreditation process much better having a comprehensive database to refer to. So for us, being able to maintain a chain of custody, knowing exactly where something is stored, exactly who took that property in, who checked it in from the evidentiary side, those things help us maintain a full accounting of all of the steps required to achieve and maintain our accreditation.
So with the search by text feature, I can put a keyword in, whether that be the person's last name, first name. EvidenceOnQ will search every field on that screen and find what I'm looking for. So it's greatly reduced the amount of time that the citizens have to wait on us to get their property back to them.
You know, it makes it a lot easier for us as well to be able to pull that property up and see exactly where the location is. It's a big property room, so when you've got to find something back from the 90s or 2000 or 2010, it really helps to have a system that will show you exactly where it is.
You know, cops don't like new stuff. We like things that are predictable, and we like things the way they are a lot of times, and the introduction of a system such as EvidenceOnQ can sometimes be rocky. The nice part about the EvidenceOnQ database is that it's pretty user-friendly, so I can successfully navigate entering property and evidence into EvidenceOnQ without any help because it's so user-friendly. Personally, as an officer of 20 years who came from the age of doing everything by paper and having to handwrite everything on labels, I love the printed labeling system. I love being able to go back at any time and find my evidence and see where that went and what happened with it. I think that is awesome, and that is probably my favorite part of having EvidenceOnQ.
I have been working in the law enforcement environment now for 15 years, and if I could offer any advice to any agency out there, it is to get an evidence tracking system. And when you do that, you need to look for something that's a true evidence management system. You need to have a system that works for your agency, that's customizable to what you need, and EvidenceOnQ allows you to do that. You get to design your profile page the way you need it to be with the fields that you need.